Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best marathon gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the incredible dedication and perseverance of the runners in your life, especially after they've conquered the grueling 26.2 miles. Finding that perfect item that acknowledges their achievement and supports their passion requires a blend of understanding their needs and celebrating their accomplishment, ensuring your gift resonates deeply and serves as a lasting reminder of their incredible feat. Number 5. ProStretch Original Calf Stretcher and Foot Rocker. Are you experiencing heel and foot pain from conditions like plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis? This device helps reduce pain and inflammation by isolating lower leg muscles for a deep, effective stretch, aiding in injury prevention. This foot rocker is medically proven and trusted by physical therapists worldwide. Its gentle motion provides a deeper, more effective stretch compared to traditional methods. Featuring advanced slip-resistant pads, it ensures a safe and effective stretch without any unwanted movement. You can use it confidently on any surface. Its unique design holds your foot in the perfect position for an accurate and efficient stretch. This increases flexibility and enhances your overall performance. It fits adult shoes up to size 12 and has a weight limit of 250 pounds. For best results, wear socks and athletic shoes during use. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting domestic manufacturing. What we like. This tool is designed to significantly reduce pain and inflammation associated with common running injuries like plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. Its physician-trusted design ensures an effective and safe stretch. If you suffer from tight calves or foot pain, this is an excellent choice for targeted recovery and injury prevention. What people say. This device takes all the pressure off the ball of your foot so you can stretch the plantar fascia as well as get a deep stretch of the calf. The ProStretch does really help you keep your calf muscle stretched. This stretching tool delivers a deep calf stretch that's ideal before and after workouts. It loosens tight muscles that contribute to foot arch pain, and you can truly feel the relief after each use. Number 4. Coach Soak Recovery Bath Soak. Unwind and de-stress with our premium bath soak. It's the perfect way to melt away tension after a long day. Crafted with fast-absorbing pure magnesium flakes and mineral-rich Dead Sea salt. This unique blend offers a deeply therapeutic soak. Immerse yourself in the goodness of 21 natural minerals. They work together to revitalize your body and mind. Awaken your senses with a refreshing burst of energizing citrus. Let the uplifting aroma enhance your relaxation experience. Discover a superior alternative to traditional Epsom salts. This formula provides a powerful yet gentle recovery for your muscles. Enjoy multiple rejuvenating baths with our generous 3-pound size. It's an excellent value for consistent self-care. What we like. This recovery bath soak offers a powerful blend of magnesium flakes and Dead Sea salt, known for their muscle-soothing properties. The energizing citrus scent provides an uplifting experience. If you're looking for a luxurious and effective way to relax tired muscles after a long run, this soak is perfect for you. What people say. Cramps have gone away, and I feel great. I purchased more and will continue. These salts didn't leave a oily film on my tub. Just a rinse and it was gone. What really sets it apart is the packaging, sturdy, easy to open, and resealable. Most soaking solutions come in flimsy bags that tear easily, but this one is well designed for storage and convenience. Number 3. MAOFAED Running Keychain. Celebrate your passion for running with this unique keychain. It's the perfect accessory for any marathoner or fitness enthusiast. Looking for a special gift for a runner in your life? This keychain is a thoughtful present that honors their dedication and achievements. Crafted with quality materials, this keychain is built to last. Its stylish design makes it a great addition to any set of keys. Let this keychain serve as a daily reminder of your fitness goals. It's a small token that represents big accomplishments. Specifically designed for marathon runners, this accessory is a symbol of endurance and perseverance. Show off your love for the sport. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this keychain is a great way to express your commitment. What we like. This keychain is a simple yet meaningful way to celebrate the dedication of a marathon runner. It's crafted from durable metal and carries an inspirational message. If you're searching for a small, personal gift that acknowledges their passion and achievement, this is a great option. What people say. Pleased with the quality, and it was just as described. Nice quality materials. Number 2. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Unwind after a long day and melt away stress. These steamers are designed to help you find tranquility and peace. Infused with premium eucalyptus essential oil, they provide a refreshing and invigorating aroma. Breathe deep and feel rejuvenated. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make an ideal present for Mother's Day, birthdays, or just because. Show her you care. Indulge in a moment of self-care without any hassle. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents do the work. This generous 15-pack ensures you can enjoy these relaxing moments for weeks to come. Replenish your self-care routine easily. What we like. These shower steamers transform your daily shower into a spa-like aromatherapy session, releasing calming eucalyptus essential oil. They are designed to help you relax and de-stress. If you want to add a touch of self-care and tranquility to your routine, especially after a demanding workout, these are a wonderful choice. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open a packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. The scent will remain in the bathroom for a bit, but there's no cleanup involved. This set includes 30 individually wrapped shower steamers in 10 different aromas, packaged in a sleek gift-ready box with a magnetic swing lid. Number 1. Gone for a Run Motivational Ankle Socks. Tired of uninspired runs? Introducing our motivational ankle socks, designed to uplift every stride you take. Each pair is infused with powerful affirmations to keep your mind focused and your spirit soaring. Feel the positive energy with every step. Specifically crafted for women, these socks offer comfort and style. They are the perfect companion for your daily runs. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the runner in your life? These inspirational socks are a unique and motivating present. Experience the difference that motivation makes. Lace up and conquer your goals with these empowering socks. Enjoy the perfect blend of soft, breathable fabric and uplifting messages. They're more than just socks, they're a daily dose of encouragement. What we like. These running socks are embedded with inspirational affirmations to keep you motivated mile after mile. They are designed for a comfortable fit and provide essential ankle support. If you're a runner who thrives on positive reinforcement and wants socks that feel as good as they inspire, these are the perfect gift. What people say. These socks are wonderful, they aren't tight at all, really love them, can't wait to buy more and love the faith messages for myself when I look down. Set comfortable and good to wear while working out. Very nice, good quality. The socks came vacuum packed and were to be a gift. After taking them out and letting them rest, the appearance was the quality of a gift. They will be the lucky socks when attending competitions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.